All right. So, how are we doing? So I really wanted to show you guys just something really quick, something pretty cool about Young Living Thieves cleaning products. Actually, a lot of just Young Living products in general. But this is the Thieves Laundry Detergent. I just got this, and it's pretty cool because most of the cleaning products from Thieves are highly, highly concentrated. Like this says 6 times ultra concentrated, which means for us that we can divide it up and, well, we can divide and conquer. So this can actually make 2 jugs instead of just the 1. You're getting the bang for your buck, and it's pretty awesome. I have never done this before, but I wanted to do it and show you guys. This is kind of an example. So I've got my little laboratory here. Not really, but I do have 16 ounces of water. It's distilled water. It's what they recommend. And then I've got, do you like my hospital mug? And then I've just got an empty one. So how this is going to work is that I'm going to take this ultra concentrated laundry detergent. I'm going to take 16 ounces and pour it in here, so about half the jug. And then I'll put my 16 ounces of diluted water in this. And then what I have extra, I'll put in a mason jar, and I'll just go ahead and save it for when this is empty. So let us begin. I don't know if I need to, oh nope, here we go. Oh. It smells so good. If you've used the Thieves household cleaner, it smells like that. Okay, so I'm going to take, let's see, 16 ounces and pour it in here. So when I said that it's not just the cleaning products, what I mean by that is that you can do this with the shampoos and conditioner line that they have, because that's also highly concentrated. And I'm going to do that because I also just got shampoo and conditioner, and I'll do that in another video. So there's about 16 ounces of the laundry detergent. And then I've got, oh, I didn't think this one through. I've got my 16 ounces of water. I didn't think that through, and I really hope this goes well. Oh yeah. Easy peasy rice and cheesy. Another thing you can do is do 3 capfuls of your Thieves household cleaner if you have it, to give it an extra boost. You don't have to, it's just if you want to. I don't actually have any more Thieves household cleaner. I gotta get some more. So I'm not gonna be doing that. Here we go. Woo, it's bubbling. It really is a science project now. Okay, so I'm going to very carefully, because I think I may have overfilled a little bit, screw the cap on there good and tight, and we'll see if this goes well. So now I've got that still water in there, and they recommend shaking it really well, maybe even just tip it upside down for a while, just to let all that thick fluid mix with the water, because it is so concentrated, it's really thick. And I'll probably just shake this for a few minutes. I might even hold it upside down for a while, just make sure it gets really well blended. But then there you go. I'll put this in a mason jar. I'll label it that it's my laundry detergent. I also have a mason jar of dish soap right now, because the dish soap does the same thing, except for I can get 3 bottles of dish soap out of 1. This is another reason why I love these Young Living products, because they're plant-based and they have no harmful fragrances, no toxic chemicals, and they can last. So it's pretty exciting, and I just wanted to show you that. This is the Thieves Laundry Soap, and that was how you break it into 2. Thanks for joining me.